Check out this new 2012 Ford Super Duty F-250. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Super Duty F-250 boasts a 6.2-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the air conditioning, California emissions, torque shift 6-speed automatic transmission with 2-with-haul mode, snowplow prep package, roof clearance lights, XL series order code, 4 upfitter switches, 6.2 LSOHC 16-valve FE flex fuel engine, steel, HD vinyl 40/20/40 split bench front seat, 5 LT 245/75R17E all-terrain BSW tires, 3.73 axle ratio and the Oxford White. Call 800-584-6486 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.